Um, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are placed for each circle in the diagram. For each circle in the diagram. The sum of the numbers for each side is 9. What is the highest number at the top of the diagram? What is the highest number that we can put
Should be 3.
at
Should
the
be
top
3.
of the number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to put all the 6 numbers in the 6 boxes. The sum should be equal to 9. The sum should be equal to 9. So what is the highest number that we can put at the top? Let's say I put a 6 at the top. Follow me here. Let's say I put a 6 at the top. If I put a 6 at the top, we have some problems here. We have to make 9. The sum of each side should be equal to 9. So if I want to make a 9, and if I put 6 on the top, I only have 3 left. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. I have only 3 left. So I can place a 2 here. I can place a 1 here. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now, on the other side, we have to make 9 also. If I want to make the 9 on the other side, I also need 3 here. So I need 1 and 2 here. But 1 and 2 is already used. The numbers that are left with are the numbers that are left are 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. So if I put a 3 here, I need to put in a 0 here. So it creates a problem. So if I place 6 at that, so if I place 6 at the top, this is a problem. If I place 5 at the top, I still have some problems. I still have some problems because if I place a 5 here, I can place a 3 and I can place a 1 here. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. I'm left with numbers like 2, 4, and 6. So if I place a 2 here and if I place a 4 here, oh, the total is never is equal to 9. It is greater than 9. So what we have to do is we have to start with a small number. We have to start with a small number. At the top, the number should be small. So if I place a 1 here, now I think I can complete the circle. If I place a 1 here, I think I can complete it. Please do not put 6, 5 in one corner. If I place 6 in one corner, then we have a real problem. The total number will be on one side I can make 9, on the other side it will be greater than 9. So that's why I try to place the 6 and 5s and 4s in the middle. So let's say I place here 4, I place here 5, I place here 6. So we have here 4 plus 1, that's equal to 5. 4 plus 1, that's equal to 5. No, let's change one thing. Let's say I don't want to place can I place a 4
So
here?
we should put 6 there. We should put 6 there instead of 4.
6 there instead of 4. Okay, let's place a 6 here. Yeah. And let's say we have a 4 here. So 6
and then we can put 2 in between 6 and 4, then and 3 in between 5
Yeah.
and 4.
So now we have all sides equal to 9. We have all sides. The question is, what is the highest number that we can put at the top? You can rotate this diagram. You can rotate this diagram and you can place the 3 at top. Can you follow me here? So 3 is the highest number that can go at the top. 3 is the highest number that can go at the top. Can you follow me here, students? We can place 1s and 2s
I
here.
didn't understand why 3 is the highest number.
You cannot place a 4 here. Please follow me. You cannot get a number greater than this. If you place a 4 here, you see you have a real problem. The problem is we have to make this side 9. So 9, I have 4 here. I have 5 left. So I need to put a 2 here. I need to put a 3 here. Am I right? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So I have to make 9 on this side. I have to make 9 on the other side also. The numbers that I'm left with is 1, 6, 1, 5, and 6. 1, 5, and 6. Let's say if I put a 1 here and I put a 5 here, so 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So one of the side is getting more than 9. That's why you cannot place a 4 at the top. The highest number that you can place at the top is 1. Sorry, 3. You can place a 1 on this side, you can place a 2 on this side. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. You can place a 4 here, and 3 plus 1 is 4. I can place a 5 here, 6. So this is the possibility. The highest number should be equal to 3. All right.
So,
this
sir,
is
the
how you
bigger
do.
number should be in the middle.
The bigger numbers should be in the middle. You cannot put the bigger numbers 4, 5, 6 on the corners. Then we are having a real problem. One of the side will be more than 9. We cannot do it. That's why we have to put smaller numbers on the side and the bigger numbers in the middle. All right. So this is a logical question. There isn't much of mathematics here. So with this idea, we are going to go into the next part, question number 13. So question number 13 says, we have a rope. The rope is 10 meters long. And we have another rope is adding as much as 3/5 of the first rope. So the first rope is 10 meter, and then we add something. So we are adding 3/5 of the first rope. Now, what is the meaning of 3/5? 3/5 means it's a fraction. 3/5 of 3/5 of the original of the first rope, that is equal to 10. 3/5.
Okay, it's three parts of a sir, it's a 3 parts of a whole number that's divided into 5 parts.
Yes, sir. So what do we do here? 3/5 of 10 means first we take 10 and we divide it by 5. So each part is equal to 2 meter. 3/5 of 10 means first you take the total length and you divide it in 5 parts. So each of the length is equal to 2 meter. All right. You can write it like this. You can write it like this. 5 parts corresponds to 10 meter. We can write 5 parts corresponds to 10 meters. Therefore, we can say 1 part that should be equal to less. If 5 parts is equal to 10 meter, 1 part will be less, and it should be 5 times less. So 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2 meter. 1 part is equal to 2 meter. So we can write here 3 parts. 3 parts will be equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 meter. 3 parts will be equal to 6 meter.
Yeah.
That is, with 10 meter, we have added another 6 meter. The question says we are adding 3/5 of the first rope. Now, 3 parts out of 5 of the first rope is equal to 6 meter. So we are adding 6 meter. We are adding 6 meter. So the total length is now 16. The total length is equal to 16. The middle mark, now the middle point will be equal to 8 meter. This is the new midpoint. Initially, in the previous scenario, the middle mark was at 5 meter. Now, the middle mark is at 8 meter. So it moves 3 meter to the right. The middle mark, the midpoint, moves 3 meter to the right. Can you follow me here, students?
I didn't get it.
Let me
Sir, I
repeat this.
didn't understand.
Yeah, let me repeat this problem, sir. Let me repeat this problem.
Sir, me too.
Let me repeat this problem. Our rope is 10 meters long. We have a 10 meter long rope. And with this, you add 3/5 of the first rope. So let us first find 3/5 of the first row. What is the meaning of 3 by 5 of the first rope? The first rope is 10 meter. What is the meaning of 3 by 5? Okay, if I say you 2 by 5 of a pizza, 2 by 5 of a pizza, if I say, so you take a pizza, you divide it into 5 parts. How many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from this, you take 2 parts. You eat 2 parts. That is 2 by 5 of a pizza. The question here says 3 by 5 of 10 meters. So what is 3 by 5 of 10 meter? So first, we write here 10 parts is equal to 10 meter. Therefore, 1 part will be equal to 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 meter. 1 part is equal to 2 meters. So we are taking here 3 parts. So now we have 3 parts that is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 meter, which is equal to 6 meter.
Oh yes, 2 by 3.
So that means with 10 meter we are adding 6 meter. With 10 meter we are adding 6 meter. When there was no 6 meter, what was the midpoint? The midpoint was 10 divided by 2. This is the 5 meter mark. This is the 5 meter mark. Now the total length is 10 plus 6, 16. Now the middle mark will be 8 meter. So from 5 meter mark, we are shifting to the 8 meter mark. Question is, where does the new midpoint slide? So the midpoint will slide 3 meter to the right. The midpoint will slide 3 meter to the right. So Rahesh, you write 3 meter to the left. No, sir, it should be 3 meter to the right. Should be 3 meter to the right. Irfan, so in Irfan, right, your answer is right. The answer is question number D.
Okay, sir.
So this is how we do question number 13. Students, as I am doing the problem, you should also try the problem on your own. When you don't understand, you can listen, you can follow my lecture. So when you have a problem, you should also try it at first. Let's go to the next problem, question number 14. So I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to think about the problem, and then I will start my explanation. I'm reading the question a little slowly. The question says, okay, I can already see there is some answer. Okay. Okay, I can see 2 answers. I think the answers are already correct. So, all right. Some of you have already done it. So I think others will also get it very quickly. So we have some icon that represent operation sign. 9, we have this circle thing, and 4. So what operation is this? We understand that this circle stuff, this stuff is a multiplication. We all understand that this is a multiplication. Then we have a plus. Okay, so plus, oh, 63 plus 9 is equal to 7. Now this is interesting, sir. Plus does not mean plus, because 63 plus 9 is not equal to 7. So interestingly, plus does not mean plus, but plus means division. Please understand, when you have a plus, it means division. We have to follow the rules here. Then we have this @ sign. Oh, the @ sign means minus, because 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And then you have a flower-like stuff. Then we have a pattern flower-like stuff.
Plus, it's plus.
Oh, that is equal to plus. Thank you, sir. So the most confusing theory is, remember that plus means a division. The first one is a multiplication. So this is a multiplication, but the plus is a division. The @ means a subtraction, and the flower thing is a addition. Now let's go to this problem. So this says 18 flower x. Okay, I know flower is equal to
18 plus 9.
So I write plus. What is the value of x? Question says it's 9. So okay, I write 18 plus 9. Then we have a circle. The circle means the multiplication. I write it. Then we have y. Y is equal to 6.
2.
y is equal to 6. So I write it. Then we have at the rate. Oh, at the rate means minus. At the rate means minus. So I write a minus. Then we have a 4. Then the bracket. Sorry. All right. Then we have a plus z. Now this is the most interesting part. Plus z, I will write it as divide by
Divided by
3.
3.
Divide by 3. Now
Divided by
this is the original. This is the original sign operation that we are going to follow. Now the rule is, students, first you have to solve inside the bracket. First you have to solve inside the bracket. 18 plus 9. Please follow me. First we go brackets. Inside the brackets. Then we go multiplication and division. And then we do addition and subtraction. So this is the procedure that we have to follow. First, we solve inside the bracket, then multiply and division, and then plus and minus. So 18 plus 9, that is equal to 21, multiplied by 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. And then we are going to divide this. We are going to divide this with 3. 21 into 2, I know that is equal to 42. And now I'm going to divide 42 by 3. I hope you understand that 42 divided by 3 is equal to 14. Let's do this here. 42.
Sir,
ones
it's
are
supposed to be 18.
Sir, isn't 18 plus 9 supposed to be
Sir,
12?
you wrote 21. It's supposed to be 27.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you,
yes.
students.
Big
Thank you very
mistake.
much. That is equal to 27. Thank you very much. So 27 into 2, that is equal to 54. And 54 divided by 3, that should be equal to 18.
18.
54 divided by 3 is 18. So the answer is, correct answer is B, which is equal to 18. Can you follow me here, students?
Sir, I didn't understand.
This is a good question. Hmm.
Sir, you just have to understand the symbols.
Yeah, you have to read the question very carefully. One of the most important thing is you have to read the question very carefully. First, read the question very carefully and then do it as quick as possible. You have to maintain the time, but if you don't read the question carefully and you are trying to rush, then you are definitely going to do some mistake. So make sure that you don't do any mistake. All right, let's go to the next problem.
What is this
15.
circle symbol?
The circle symbol is multiplication. The first one is multiplication. The plus means division. The at the rate is minus. And the flower thing is plus. Now, we're going to do number 15. We're going to do number 15. Okay. Number 15. Julia read a book in 20 days. Okay. She read 8 pages every day for the first 10 days. Okay, so 10 days, 8 pages every day. So 10 into 8, 80. I can understand that. Julia has read 1 page more each day than the previous day for the last 10 days. For the last 10 days, the number of pages will increase by 1. The number of pages
So
will
like
increase by 1.
Sir,
So
from
what is
8
the
it will
total
go to
page?
9.
So
Sir,
please
it will-
follow me
from
here.
8
Yeah.
Sir,
So
from
here we have
8 it will go to 9, then it will go to 10, then 11, then 12. It will go like that.
she did 8 pages every day for the first 10 days. So we have here 8 times 10, which is equal to 80 pages. So this is what is happening in the first 10 days. Now on the 11th day, she's gonna read 9 pages. On the 12th day, she's gonna read 10 pages. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and I think 18, we stop at 18. This is the 11th day, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Can you follow me what I'm trying to say here? Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to add this number of pages. We're going to add this number of pages. Now, if we add this, what do we get? We get 9 plus 10, 11 plus 12, 13 plus 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So you have to be good with the calculation here. If you can add them quickly and get it correct, then your answer will be right. So remember, she reads 80 pages in the first 10 days, and then she read 135 pages in the 135 pages in the
It's
last,
135.
yeah, 135 and then 80. 135,
135.
yeah,
215.
250.
that is equal to
215 in
215
total.
pages. So this is how we do question. The answer should be 215 pages. The answer is C. Students, you show all this working, but if you don't correct your, if you don't take the correct answer, then you're going to lose. Then you're going to lose marks. You'll not be marked. Can you follow me here? So
Yes.
I will ask you to tick the answers. Once you're done with the problem, tick the answers.
Can we need to show the workout?
The workout is not necessary, but if you don't do the workout, students, then
We won't understand the question.
you are going to do mistakes. If you don't follow the workout, if you don't follow the procedure, there is 100% possibility that you are going to do mistakes, lots of mistakes. So keep all your thinking in the copy. So that's how you can avoid doing mistakes. If you keep this calculation all in your head, then you are going to do mistakes. Your head will get tired. So try to put your thinking in the head. It is. All right, students, just a reminder, students, that the meeting will end in 10 minutes. Please rejoin once the meeting ends. All right. Next question, number 16. Read the question first, give it a try, and then I will help you. Yes, Zayan, I will give you a confirmation in the group once I get it from Sohan sir. I'm actually not very much sure about it. I heard it was going to be held on 12, but I think it's 18. All right. All I know is that we are going to get another week of class. Try next Friday and Saturday. So I think the exam will be on 18th. Okay. I'll let you know.
18 November or
Yeah.
December?
November, sir. November.
Okay.
I'll let you know that. I'll let you know the time, students. Okay. I'll let you know the time. I'll let you know all the rules and regulations and everything next week, I think. This week, let's learn some maths first. Next week, we're going to learn about the rules and regulations. Number 16. Richard is saving money for a new book. On the first day, he put £1 into the money box. On the second day, he added 2 more than the first day. 2 more than the first day. So in the second day, he's gonna put 2 more than the first day, so 3. On the third day, he added 2 more than on the second day. Okay, so that will be equal to 5. If he continues adding 2 more than the previous day, how much will he put to his money box on the 10th day? That's an easy question. So on the 4th day, 7. 5th day, we have 9. On the 6th day, we are going to have 11. 7th day, 13. 8th day, $15. 9th, 17th, 17 and $19. So he's going to put $19 on the 10th day. Can you follow me here? Once again, this is the first day. First day, Richard will put $1. In the second day, $2 more, 3. Third day, 5. Fourth day, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So on the 10th day, he's gonna put $19. On the 10th day, he will put $19 in the bank. Can you follow me what I'm trying to say? In the money box.
Yes.
Yes. This one was also very easy. Now, students, if I ask you to find how much money is is he gonna put on the 30th day? Can anyone give me the answer? 30th day. You can write your answer in the chat box. 30th day. Can anyone tell me? 30th day. I want write your answer in the chat box. 30th day. 30th day. No one?
Sir, is it supposed to be 61?
61.
How much money?
No, sir. No, sir. Anyone?
Is it supposed to be 50?
Wait, I think I just got an idea. Can I just wait a second?
Sir, we have
Write
to
your
multiply it 30
It's
by 2,
57.
then we have to add 1 to it.
We have to subtract one.
who said
Sir,
subtract?
it's 59.
All right, we have to subtract 1.
Yeah.
Is it 57? I'm not so sure about
59.
It
it's
should be
57.
59. Who said 59? Who said
Yeah, I-
59?
I think it's
It should be
57.
It should be 59.
Oh.
Let me show you why it is 59. Check this.
How
On the first day, 1. On the second day, 3. On the third day, 5. On the fourth day, we have 7. On the fifth day, we have 9. On the sixth day, we have 11. So you see, on the fourth day, 4 to the 8 minus 1 is 7. So number of days is multiplied by 2. 4 to the 8, then subtracted by 1. Fifth day, 5 to the 10, subtracted by 1, 9. Sixth day, 6 to the 12, subtracted by 1. 30th day, 13 to 2 is 60, minus 1 is 59. 13 to 2 is 60, minus 1 is 59. So this is how you are
Sir,
going to
we
do
have-
with. So you have
Sir,
to
we
find
had
out.
this type of math in another question.
Yes, sir. Yes, we had something like this. I remember. Yes.
Yes.
So what we have to do here is we have to find a pattern. It should be 59, Ryan. Ryan, Yashfa, thank you very much. Very good. So, so this is how you do question number 16. Let's go to the next problem, question number 17. Students, the meeting will end in 4 minutes. Please rejoin once the meeting ends. Number 17, I'll give you some time to think about it.
Look at the picture.
I'll give you some time to think about it. Then I'll try to
Yeah,
help
it
you.
should be, I think, C. It should be, I think, C.
Write your answer in the chat box. No talking, please.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
It's a higher chance. C.
Okay. So thank you. Now, look at the picture below. Which one of the following shows the same fraction shaded? So here we have a 1 out of 4. The fraction in the question is 1 out of 4. Okay. So let's go to number A. Number A, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's
And in
8 out of 16.
So 8 out of 16 is not equal to 1 out of 4. 8 out of 16 is equal to 1 out of 2. When you have fraction, you can divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. 8 divided by 8, 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 8 out of 16 can be written as 1 out of 2. And here I have 2 out of 6. We have here 2 out of 6. 2 out of 6 is shaded. So students, when we are doing fraction, please understand this. You can divide the numerator and denominator with the same number.
Sir, it's like
So
1
2
out of
divided by
3.
2, which is 1.
6.
2.
It's C. It's C.
Very good.
It's
Number
C
C,
because
number C, we have 2 out of 8, which is equal to 1 out of 4.
1
Thank
1 by
you.
4.
Thank
so
you.
we already know our answer. It's
No,
C.
no talking, students. No talking. Please listen to me if you know the answer. Keep your audio mute and do not talk if you know the answer. Just listen to my explanation. So for number D, it will be 3 out of 9 because in total we have 9 boxes, 3 is shaded. This can be written as 1 out of 3. So we can see that number C is similar. Number C is same as the given question. Okay. Number 17. Let's go to the next problem. Question number 18. Let's go to the next problem. Question number 18. Question number 18 says, find the sum of all the even numbers between 45 and 54.
Do we
Find the-
count 54 as a number also?
Find the sum of all even numbers between 45 and 54. That's a good question. Look at the question. Question says between 45 and 54. If I say between 45 and 54, for 54 cannot be included, isn't it? Students, am I right?
Yes, yes. Yes, it will be.
52.
It will be like inside of them,
It will be like, sorry.
like between.
Yeah. Between means we cannot take, between means we cannot take the boundary values. Can we?
Yes.
No. So between 45 and we have 46, then we have 48, then we have 50 and we have 52. And if we add them, that should be equal to 196.
96.
So we have here 46, 48, 50 and 52. Students, this is the English language. This is test of English language. When I say between, I cannot take the boundary values. I cannot take the boundary values, which means I cannot take 54. And if I add them up, I can see that this is equal to 196. My correct answer is A for an apple. This is question number 18. All right. So we got this question.